I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the keto diet. Hey! I've been following a low-carb, high-fat diet for a little over a year now and I absolutely love it. It's really helped me change how my body looks and feels, so hopefully by the end of this video you'll feel confident enough to start your own keto journey too. Thinking about trying the keto diet? You're not alone. The ketogenic diet is one of the most effective ways to lose weight, reduce inflammation and support your health. People who follow a keto diet have been shown to have more energy, clearer thinking and an improved quality of life. Moreover, research has shown that the keto diet may even have benefits for diabetics, something not many other diets can claim. Unfortunately, getting into a state of ketosis isn't easy. To achieve this particular metabolic state, you must restrict your carb intake to 50 grams per day and increase your fat intake instead. In this blog post, we will cover everything you need to know about how to start the keto diet, from its benefits and risks, what foods are permitted on a ketogenic diet plan, measuring ketone levels and much more. Let's get started. What is the ketogenic diet? The ketogenic diet is a very low-carb diet that changes the way your body uses energy. Normally, your body gets energy from carbohydrates, foods like rice, bread, potatoes, etc. However, for the ketogenic diet, you switch this energy source to instead get energy from fats. When your body is in this fat-burning state, you're in a metabolic state called ketosis. One of the reasons the ketogenic diet is so effective for weight loss is that it puts your body into a state where it becomes much less interested in storing fat. Ketosis is a natural process that occurs in the human body, and is only dangerous when it is artificially induced by a person, as with the ketogenic diet. Why follow a keto diet? The ketogenic diet has been shown to help people lose weight, reduce inflammation and improve various health markers. Some of the benefits of going keto include improved energy and clearer thinking. The keto diet has been shown to increase energy levels in many people, and some studies have shown that it can even improve memory. Supports weight loss. The keto diet can be effective for weight loss, especially when combined with exercise and/or calorie restriction. Better mental health. The keto diet has been shown to improve symptoms of mental health issues such as depression, anxiety and OCD. Reduced inflammation. Eating a keto diet can help reduce inflammation in the body and lower oxidative stress. How to start the keto diet? If you are eager to begin your keto diet journey, there are a few things you'll want to keep in mind. First and foremost, you'll want to calculate your daily calorie intake. To do this, you'll need to know your basal metabolic rate, BMR, and your daily activity level. You can use this calculator to determine both. Once you know your daily calorie intake, you can begin tracking your macros. Pros of going keto. There are a number of reasons why the ketogenic diet may be a good idea for you. The most common benefits include fat loss. The keto diet is a very effective way to lose fat. Studies show that people who are on the keto diet lose more fat than people who follow a more traditional diet. Improved health. Studies have shown that a keto diet can reduce oxidative stress, blood sugar levels and blood pressure. More energy. Many people report having more energy when they first start the keto diet, and it may even have positive effects on memory. Cons of going keto. Despite all the potential benefits, there are also some potential drawbacks to the keto diet. These include restriction. The keto diet often requires a significant amount of dietary restriction, which may become tiresome over time. Lack of variety. Getting your energy from fats can lead to a very limited variety of foods that you are able to eat. Difficulty for certain people. While the keto diet can be effective for many people, it is not appropriate for everyone. Conclusion. The ketogenic diet is a great way to lose weight and improve your health. It is also one of the most effective